So it's new machine day here at Booth Machine. I'm headed over to a friend's house. It's actually his rental house, and he's got a garage there he used to work out of. Still got some of his things in there. And he's got a small surface grinder, and we made a deal earlier in the year that he was going to let me have it. I just got to give him a hand getting some stuff cleaned out of there. So I got the trailer loaded up, got some tools loaded up, and we're getting ready to roll out. So hopefully I'll get a little bit of footage of the move. I got a little handheld here I'm bringing with me also, so maybe we got some shots of the machinery moving that I'll share with you. So let's get in the truck and head on over there, okay? All right, there's the new machine there. This is the little surface grinder. It is a Covel, and it's just a little dirty, just needs a cleaning up, but he said it works. He hasn't had it plugged in a long time, but he said it works. I should be able to plug it in pretty quick and easy to see. It is 3-phase. I got a plug there that the K&T is hooked to. I think it's a pretty well complete machine. It's got some accessories here with it, and I don't really know what everything's for yet, but got the chuck. Moves nice. So we'll do some cleaning. We'll get it back to the shop, do a little cleaning, and I think we might have us a nice little surface grinder for the shop. It's nice because it's not very big. It's not going to take up much room, and we could probably use it. He's got another machine back there too. I don't know if you can see it very well with the GoPro, but that's an old Tracer Bridgeport. I don't think you'll be able to see very much of this on video. It's a hydraulic tracer attachment. There's the hydraulics over there. I'd actually like to have the table off of it just to build like a welding table out of or something. But it'd be a chore getting that sucker out of here, man. Wooden floor down here. So this is what we'll be doing today. We're gonna get this sucker out. He's got a couple more things. There's a bandsaw over there, but I don't know if we're gonna get that out or not, and we'll see. All right, I think we can run some straps through these holes there and pick the thing up. I'm hoping. I got the cherry picker and some slings, so we'll get to it. We're good? Ain't binding up anywhere? Okay, good. Sucker's a little stout, man.
Stout.
Alright, it's up off the ground. A little heavy on the back.
Might go up maybe 1-2 more.
Ain't gonna fall back, is it?
Alright, I got it.
That it?
See it. Alright, roll with it.
Alright. Put it back this way. Right.
Robert.
Vanilla. You see him here?
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That thing must weigh 1,000 pounds, dude.
Ain't on 1,000 there.
I think it weighs 1,000. I'm
You
thinking.
don't think?
No,
There's a lot of pressure on this jack here.
I'm thinking half a ton.
Well,
I'm about to say more than grand. Hit it once, one more.
yeah. I mean, we might have to back up a little more.
Alright. That's just gonna run out of
Run out of
leg room.
concrete. dirt right there.
You're on a stud here, so if you want to set her down and regroup, you can. Hold on. All right.
Oh,
If you jacked it up, and I'll put it.
All right.
huh? Go down?
Yeah. You want to back your trailer up another foot. Slow.
Clear there.
All right.
That's all I got right there.
That's it.
Yeah, you'll have to pull the base around some.
All right. Well, swing it. Well, maybe me and you. How about you, Ricky? You want to help me swing this up a little bit, and then we'll drop it. All right. Get a couple pinch bars and scooch this back about 4 inches. I think we're good.
Man, I think it'd be good right there.
Think it's all right. We can put this leg right on this brace and get it off of that wood just to make sure it don't.
Okay. Yeah, I got my
Break
big,
that root.
I got my big pry bar, and we should be able to just pinch it,
Walk it on.
just pinch it around.
A bit more on this side and put you on a
Just on the angle there.
scoot this square and you're good. All right.
Got it?
Perfect.
All right, yeah, we're on 2 braces there.
Absolutely perfect.
One of these days, maybe I can get somebody to replace that wood for me.
Yeah. Well,
All right.
if you do that one weekend, let me know.
Yeah, I've been putting it off for way too long.
Go buy you
That wood's been on there for over 20 years.
some, buy you some treated 2x6s and
Yep.
bolt them down.
All right, well, we're just about done. We just need to we'll get a strap on it to support it, and
It's the ball, right, Will?
What's that?
we got her loaded up. We got some of Will's stuff we're gonna haul to his house too. So there it is. Ain't seen daylight in a while. All right. Okay, headed back to the house now. We got to stop by Will's place and drop off a lot of that stuff that's in the back of the truck there, and on the rest of the stuff on the trailer is actually his. So we're gonna stop there and drop that off, and then we'll be at the house and unload that grinder. We stopped by Will's and just unloading the stuff that he's keeping. I thought I'd show you his. He's got his. This is a workshop that he built. This is his garage. He's got a cool trike in here. I thought I'd show you. VW engine. I don't know what the rest of it is, but it's pretty neat though. Got a Springer front end on it. I seen him drive it a couple times. He's got a little trailer somewhere he'll hook to it, and he'll pull it around with the trailer. But yeah, this is a little workshop that he put together. I try to talk him out of that vise, but he won't come off of it. I remember he said he found those at the flea market. He bought those, started hanging all of his tools up. Got him a Miller sinker wave. But that's it. So we're gonna head over to my place and get that grinder unloaded. Here's a little vise that Will give me. I've been looking for one for Alex, and this is one that he had laying around. He said he didn't want it, so we might do something with that. It's just a cheap. I think he said he got it from Harbor Freight. But
Lots.
Big Lots.
Big Lots.
Yeah. But we might be able to do something with that and fix it up and give it to Alex. So we'll see. All right, we made it back, and we're thinking about using the electric forklift. I had it plugged in, charged, and I think it's good to go. We might be able to get it flipped around here and get the grinder just walked up on the forks. So we might try that there. If not, we still got the cherry picker we can use. Bump it. Wood's had it, man.
Yes, sir.
Followed through.
It's done.
I think we can get it there. Oh, hold on a minute, look. Got an idea. Try that. See what it does.
Ready?
Yeah. Come hold this. Come hold this for me. I got it just. All right. Running out of juice.
Pick it up, move it back. Back.
Is it on there?
It's almost.
Almost.
Try to back it up.
I think it's on there, dude.
It's on there. Can you tilt your forks back?
Yeah, it'll tilt some.
Alright, it's all yours.
Oh, gotta come up.
Alright.
There it is. Alright guys, we made it home with it. So there it is. I've just got it temporarily sitting right here on some 2x. I got to get the forklift charged back up. I only charged it for like 4 hours, so the battery's gotten down low again. But so I've been kind of mentioning all year that I had a surface grinder to go pick up, and I just wanted to wait until the video, or I mean until I went and got it to actually talk about it. So this is it. It's a Covel, and so this was Will's, and Will was kind enough to basically let me have it. I still owe him a 12-pack of beer, so I got to go get him a 12-pack of beer, and that's my payment for this Covel surface grinder right here. Plus, I told him I'd help him clean some of his other stuff out too, so that was what we agreed on. It is a three-phase machine, so what I'll probably do is I'm gonna try to get it inside. I'll probably set it up somewhere in here along this side, on the inside of the wall, and share the plug with the K and T. I don't know yet. That's just what I'm thinking so far. But it does need a good cleaning job. It's been sitting for about 5 years. It hasn't been messed with in about 5 years. So it does need a good cleaning. But everything works though, so I thought I would make some movements for you. Okay. This handle's a little squeaky just from the dry. Okay, we got the Z, if you will, up and down, and it's just shaking on those boards down there. That's all it is. So that's about it. There was a couple accessories with it that was on this mag chuck I put in a bucket and I forgot those over at Will's house. I'll have to get those later. There is some more stuff down here in this cabinet though. I'm gonna grab the camera and give you guys a little quicker view of it. The mag truck does work. Definitely needs to be dressed. Somebody's been using it. Look like a cutting board right here, man. There's some scratches on it. So there's a 1, 2, 3 block, and that's actually off. It's still got magnetism to it there. You turn it on there, and it's on there. So we'll have to get us a couple grinding wheels in here. Benton Harbor, Michigan, USA. Style number 7B and the serial number 7B7060. And this is your on and off, and there's another switch that must have had coolant on it at one time. Alright, so there's some more treasures down in here. I don't know what's in there yet, so we'll dig those out later and check it out and see what all that is. And there's some other things that in a bucket over at Will's house still. Okay, yeah, 3-phase. There's the oiler. I don't know what's going on here. This has been modified, I think. I'll have to do a little research, find out about this little drip oiler right here. And that's it. Okay, I'm going to sign off. This will be another machine into the that's going to go in the shop. We'll get it cleaned up and put it to use, okay? Thanks guys for watching.